Hi guys, welcome to the video. It's just a quick breakdown of the trades that I took yesterday and just a follow up from yesterday's analysis. So yesterday I uploaded a video on how to analyze the USD pairs. Make sure you watch that. This is just a follow on from that. I'm going to show you how accurate my analysis is and how just trading support and resistance with one indicator and looking at candlesticks as a primary analysis, you can be profitable. So we're going to start on the DXY. So if you remember in yesterday's video, make sure you watch that beforehand. I showed you how to mark this chart, clearly showing where support and resistance is. And I highlighted these areas because price yesterday was here and I predicted price to go from one level to another. So that's where support and resistance allows you to analyze the market. So you always know price is going to travel between support and resistance, always. That is just the way price action works. That's just the way technical analysis works. So if price was here, as highlighted yesterday, I knew it was going to go down. As you can see, what's happened since then, there's been a downward move, which I was profitable from yesterday. So I'm going to go ahead and show you. On EURUSD yesterday, I took a trade. It was a live trade that I took with you. If I go into the H1 time frame, this was the entry here yesterday. So we're looking at 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. Why did I take this entry? So it was retracing to the 61.8 Fibonacci. At the retracement of the Fibonacci, you can see that the price was a bearish candle. However, since then, what's happened? You've got a bullish engulfing candle, a massive green candle which shows that buyers are into the market. Because it's engulfed the previous bearish candle, we can assume that buyers are now into the market. And also because we were looking at the potential retracement of 61.8, it is a pretty strong retracement. Secondary indicator that you can look at to assist your analysis is the RSI. So if you look at the RSI here yesterday, it was relatively close to 30. So if it's close to 30, you know it's oversold and it's going to go up. And if it's close to 70, you know it's overbought and it's going to go down. So yesterday it was relatively close to the 30 region on the RSI, which indicates also price can only go up. As you can see, this is a H1. I went into the M15 time frame. This is where I took my analysis. So my stop loss of 17.5 pips and a target profit of 15 pips. It wasn't great. It's less than a 1-to-1 ratio. That's because I was managing the trade. I entered on this candle here. It went in my direction. The only reason I closed the trade is because it was after 5 o'clock and I thought once I seen this candlestick here, price is going to reverse, and it did potentially reverse. It just made a higher low. But I thought, you know what, I'm just going to get out of the trade. But if you look at this, if I was scalping and I remained into the trade today, I could have made 35 pips. But the way I work, the way I trade, 9 to 5, 8 to 5, London session only. I'm not going to monitor the trade. That is how you have anxiety, and it's just going to ruin your peace of mind. You just want to do your day job and get on with the rest of your day. You don't want to be, you know, begging for pips. You want a controlled risk management with controlled emotions. So I got out of the trade. I made 15 pips. Why did I know it was going up? Why was it a buy trade? Yesterday, remember, I mentioned the DXY is at resistance. It's only going to go down, and it has. So if you remember GBPUSD, I also did this analysis yesterday, and I showed you that it was only going to go up. And I initially said that I'm not going to take this trade because I missed it. However, I did take the trade. So why did I take the trade? Price was at support. It was at a 0% Fibonacci. It's also a H1 support, a H4 support, and also a daily time frame level. You can see there's massive bullish engulfing candle here. You can see buyers are now into the market. It's engulfed the previous 3 candles. Buyers are now into the market. So once I seen this candlestick, I then went into the M15 time frame. When I was on the M15 time frame, you can see here, I entered on this candle here. It would have been better if I had my entry here. I would have made a lot more pips. If I show you, this is why you should always enter near the level. If I was here, I could have made 50 pips. But because I entered late, I entered like 15-30 minutes late. So my stop loss was just here. 10 pip stop loss and a TP of 25. I wanted my TP to be here because I knew once it's at support it can only go to resistance. However, like I said, it was after 5 o'clock and I just exited the trade and I took my profit. So I made 28 pips here and the risk to reward ratio is 2.6. So 26 pips here and 14 pips here. I made 40 pips. So if you trade in £100,000 account with a £10 a pip trade volume, made £4,000 in the space of a few hours. So I could have stayed into the trade. As you can see, today's price action, price continued to go up. So if I was in the trade from yesterday, I could have made 53 pips, £5,300. But I just trade 9 to 5, so I got out of the trade. I was comfortable, I was happy with that. As you can see, it rejected, and then when price opened today, then went to be buys then came into the market just after the Asian session. Well, just after 12 o'clock, so during the Asian session. So now prices are at resistance, we can look for potential sells. So that'll be in a separate video. This video is just based on yesterday's analysis, and I just wanted to show you how accurate my analysis is. So remember, you just need to trade support and resistance. That's all you need to do. And obviously with the USD pairs, you focus on the DXY. If the DXY is at resistance, it's going down, which means the USD pairs are going up. And vice versa, if the DXY is at support and it's going up, then you know the USD pairs are going down. So hope you enjoyed this analysis, guys. There will be more to come. Like, share and subscribe. Peace.